In the late 19th century, India was a land under foreign rule, broken by poverty, social divisions, and a fading spirit of confidence. Yet, amidst this darkness, a young monk arose who rekindled the flame of pride, courage, and self-belief in millions of hearts. His name was Swami Vivekananda, one of the greatest spiritual leaders, thinkers, and motivators of all time. His life was not merely about religion, it was about strength, courage, and awakening the sleeping soul of humanity. Early life of a curious boy. Swami Vivekananda was born as Narendranath Datta in Kolkata on 12 January 1863. From childhood, he was energetic, fearless, and deeply curious. His father was a modern, rational man, while his mother was deeply spiritual. This unique combination shaped little Naran into a thinker who valued both reason and faith. He questioned everything. Teachers often found him restless in class because he asked, "Have you seen God?" He wasn't satisfied with second-hand knowledge. For him, truth had to be experienced, not merely accepted. The search for truth. As a young man, Naran was brilliant in studies, music, and sports, yet he was not content with worldly success. The burning question in his heart was, what is the purpose of life? Where can I find God? His search led him to Ramakrishna Paramahansa, a saint at the Dakshineshwar temple in Kolkata. When Naran asked him the same question, "Have you seen God?" Ramakrishna answered calmly, "Yes, I have. I see him as clearly as I see you, only in a much more intense sense." This reply shook Naran. At last, he had found a master who spoke from experience. Under Ramakrishna's guidance, Naran discovered that true religion was not about rituals, but about realizing the divinity within. Transformation into Swami Vivekananda. After Ramakrishna's death, Naran renounced worldly life and took the vows of a monk, becoming Swami Vivekananda. With a small group of brother disciples, he dedicated his life to serving humanity. He wandered across India, living with the poor, sleeping under the open sky, and eating whatever little villagers offered him. During these travels, he witnessed the crushing poverty and hopelessness of his countrymen. He realized that the first need of India was not religion in the narrow sense, but strength, education, and self-confidence. He declared, "Religion is not for the empty stomach. The nation needs bread, employment, and knowledge before it talks of spirituality." The historic Parliament of Religions. In 1893, Swami Vivekananda traveled to Chicago, USA, to represent India at the world's Parliament of Religions. On 11 September, he stood before a vast audience. Nervous at first, he began his speech with the words, "Sisters and brothers of America." The entire hall erupted in applause, for never had anyone addressed them with such warmth. In his speech, he spoke about the greatness of Indian spirituality, the harmony of all religions, and the need for tolerance and acceptance. He declared boldly, "We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true." His words mesmerized America. Overnight, Vivekananda became a world hero. Newspapers called him the cyclonic monk of India. He showed the West that India was not a land of snake charmers, but a land of profound wisdom. Message of strength. Wherever he went, Swami Vivekananda inspired people to rise above weakness. His famous call was, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." He reminded the youth that within them was infinite power. He said, "You are the children of God, the sharers of immortal bliss. Holy and perfect beings, you are not sinners. It is a sin to call a man so. It is a standing libel on human nature." Instead of fear and hopelessness, Vivekananda preached strength, courage, and self-reliance. For him, spirituality was not escape from the world, but a way to serve humanity. He often said, "Service to man is service to God." Return to India. After conquering hearts in the West, Vivekanand returned to India as a national hero. People welcomed him with garlands and cheers. But instead of enjoying fame, he used his popularity to awaken the masses. He emphasized three things for India's progress: education, not just book learning, but man-making education that builds character and confidence; unity, breaking the chains of caste, creed, and division; strength, physical, mental, and spiritual strength to face challenges. He founded the Ramakrishna Mission, which continues today, serving society through schools, hospitals, and relief work. A short yet powerful life. Swami Vivekanand lived only 39 years, passing away in 1902. But in that short span, he transformed millions of lives. He sowed the seeds of modern Indian nationalism, inspired freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose and Aurobindo, and gave confidence to ordinary men and women. He showed that true spirituality is not weakness, but fearless action combined with deep faith. Even today, his birthday, 12th January, is celebrated in India as National Youth Day. Why Swami Vivekanand's life is motivational? Swami Vivekanand's story is motivational because it teaches us. Believe in yourself. He proved that confidence is the first step to success. If you trust your inner power, the world will trust you too. Serve others. True greatness lies in helping others, not just in personal achievement. Never fear. Fear is the root of failure. Courage is the foundation of growth. Work hard for your goal. His call, "Arise, Awake," reminds us that dreams become reality only through tireless effort. Think beyond borders. He built a bridge between East and West, showing that humanity is one family. Conclusion. Swami Vivekanand's life is not just history, it is a timeless inspiration. He showed that one individual, armed with faith, courage, and determination, can awaken an entire nation. Even today, his words ring true. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. His journey, from a curious boy seeking truth to a fearless monk conquering the world with his message of strength, is a shining example for every young person. Swami Vivekanand taught us that within every human lies infinite power. All we need is courage to awaken it. His story remains a guiding light for all who wish to live with purpose, strength, and service.